Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a reading direction on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, select a manga, for example the One Piece, and click to the home screen and go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find two sections, the reading direction and the resolution. You go to the first, the reading direction, and here you can set the vertical or the horizontal mode. Actually I use the horizontal, but if you want to use the vertical, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.